The automotive world has been revolutionized with BMW's latest offering, the completely redesigned 2025 X3. This fourth-generation luxury compact SUV doesn't just compete in its segment. It redefines expectations with groundbreaking technology and thoughtful engineering. For prospective buyers seeking the perfect blend of luxury, performance, and practicality, the 2025 BMW X3 presents a compelling case with features that set new standards in the automotive industry. Here is 7 features that will blow your mind about all-new 2025 BMW X3. Revolutionary design. The 2025 BMW X3 emerges with a striking new design language that signals BMW's future direction. Dimensionally transformed, the new X3 is 1.3 inches longer, 1.1 inches wider, and sits an inch lower than its predecessor, creating a more commanding road presence while maintaining its urban utility. The exterior styling showcases BMW's evolutionary design philosophy, with a prominent kidney grille featuring the iconic glow lighting system that illuminates the vehicle's contours with sophisticated white lighting. This visual signature immediately distinguishes the X3 in traffic and parking situations. Beyond aesthetics, this dimensional transformation serves practical purposes. The lower stance contributes to improved aerodynamics and handling dynamics, while the increased width provides enhanced stability during cornering. These design changes aren't merely cosmetic, but reflect BMW's commitment to blending form with function in ways that benefit the driver experience. Next-generation infotainment. The technological centerpiece of the 2025 X3 is undoubtedly the latest iDrive 9 infotainment system, displayed on a sprawling 14.9-inch curved display that dominates the dashboard. BMW has wisely retained the tactile rotary controller, a feature many loyal customers appreciate, while complementing it with touch capabilities, voice commands, and steering wheel controls for maximum versatility. The BMW Digital Premium package transforms the vehicle into a sophisticated entertainment center during charging or parking breaks. The system supports high-definition video streaming services and offers an array of interactive games playable in both single and multiplayer modes. Integration with Spotify and Amazon Music provides seamless access to millions of songs and podcasts without requiring phone connections. Perhaps most impressive is the BMW Connected Drive ecosystem, which extends the vehicle's functionality beyond transportation. The system integrates with smart home technologies, provides real-time parking availability information, traffic updates including construction zones and accidents, and delivers over-the-air updates that keep the vehicle's capabilities expanding throughout ownership. Advanced powertrain options. BMW has made a significant commitment to performance efficiency with the 2025 X3 lineup, offering 2 sophisticated powertrain options, both featuring standard all-wheel drive. The entry-level X3 xDrive employs a turbocharged 2.0-litre 4-cylinder engine generating 255 horsepower, enhanced by a 48-volt mild hybrid system that improves efficiency and response. This configuration delivers impressive acceleration, with BMW claiming a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of approximately 6 seconds. For those seeking additional performance, the X3 M50 features a turbocharged 3.0-litre inline-6 engine, also complemented by the 48-volt hybrid system. Both powertrains are paired with an advanced 8-speed automatic transmission that delivers smooth, precise shifts, while contributing to impressive fuel economy figures. The X3 xDrive achieves an EPA-estimated 27 miles per gallon city and 33 miles per gallon highway, while the more powerful M50 returns 25 miles per gallon city and 30 miles per gallon highway. Exceptional figures for vehicles in this performance class. The standard all-wheel drive system represents BMW's acknowledgement of consumer preferences for all-weather capability and enhanced handling. The system intelligently distributes power between the front and rear axles based on driving conditions, providing confidence in adverse weather while maintaining the engaging driving dynamics BMW is known for. Revolutionary parking technology. The 2025 X3 introduces one of the most advanced self-parking systems in the automotive industry with the Parking Assistant Professional Package. This groundbreaking technology allows the vehicle to memorize and automatically execute parking maneuvers even with the driver outside the vehicle, controlled through the My BMW smartphone application. The system can learn up to 10 different parking routes of approximately 650 feet each, making it ideal for regular parking scenarios at home, work, or frequently visited locations. Sophisticated safety protocols ensure the vehicle stops if it detects any deviation from the programmed route or potential obstacles. The comprehensive package includes the maneuver assistant, remote parking technology, an enhanced backup assistant, and conventional parking sensors. The system is supported by advanced hardware including a high-definition rear-view camera, 360-degree surround view cameras, and precise proximity sensors that provide exact distance measurements to nearby objects. This technology package significantly reduces parking stress and potential damage, particularly valuable in crowded urban environments. Impressive towing capability. While luxury features and technology often dominate discussions about premium vehicles, the 2025 X3 demonstrates remarkable utility with its substantial towing capacity. When properly equipped with the factory-installed trailer hitch, the X330X Drive can tow up to 4,010 pounds, while the more powerful M50X Drive manages an impressive 4,850 pounds. These capabilities transform the X3 from a premium commuter vehicle into a versatile lifestyle enabler. The towing capacity allows owners to transport small boats, camping trailers, or recreational equipment without requiring a second utility vehicle. For context, this capacity is sufficient for hauling a fully loaded 6x12 utility trailer, a 20-foot camper, or even a pair of snowmobiles. This functionality positions the X3 as an exceptional value proposition when compared to competitors like the Jeep Wagoneer or Lincoln Navigator that offer similar capabilities, but at substantially higher price points, ranging from $65,000 to $89,000. Premium lighting experience. The 2025 X3 elevates the ownership experience through thoughtfully implemented lighting technologies. The available Sky Lounge panoramic roof creates an expansive feeling of openness, while allowing natural light to flood the cabin. After sunset, the interior ambience can be personalized through 15 different ambient lighting options with dynamic effects that transform the cabin atmosphere. The 2025 BMW X3 represents extraordinary value with a starting price of $50,675 for the 30X Drive and $65,275 for the M50 model. For prospective buyers seeking a premium compact SUV that combines cutting-edge technology, impressive performance, and everyday practicality, the fourth-generation X3 deserves serious consideration. If you found this overview helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more in-depth automotive reviews and comparisons. Click the notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos, and share your thoughts about the 2025 BMW X3 in the comments below.